Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is regarding DOST notification 2025. So as you can see, I'm on the official website of DOST, and this one, as you can see, this is last year's DOST notification date. Last year the notification came on 3rd May 2024. This year also it is expected the same. So notification comes on 3rd, and after 3 days, that is on 6th May, your phase 1 registration begins. To register for phase 1, fees is 200 from 6th to 1st of June. Then after the registration, after some days, web options will open for phase 1 from 20th May to 2nd June, and then the verification of special categories like physically handicapped, NCC students, all these. Then phase 1 seat allotment would be there. On 6th June, your seat will be allotted. Then you would have to report online starting from 7th June to 15th of June. In between, you can report. Students, if you were not able to apply for phase 1, then you can apply for phase 2. The registration fee would be double, that is 400 rupees. It would start from 6th June to 15th of June. Then phase 2 web options will open from 6th June to 14th of June. Then special verification again for NCC physically handicapped on 13th of June. Then seat allotment would be on 18th of June. Then online you have to self-report from 19th June onwards up till 3rd of July. So try to apply in phase 1 itself. Similarly, you can see phase 3 registration, then the web options, then obviously certificate verification, then seat allotment, then online reporting. So if you don't get a seat in phase 1 and 2, then you opt for phase 3. Now in degree colleges, you'll have orientation session, means they will explain you about all the degree subjects. So that day would be on 10th of July to 12th of July, and last year the classes started on 15th of July, that is commencement of classwork for semester 1. So after this you even have a special phase for which you have to pay according to the college. So students, this is the official website of DOST, but as you can see, the orange color tab, candidate pre-registration. So before applying for DOST, you have to register yourself, but this portal is not yet open. So once you register yourself, after that only you can do candidate login and then pay for your application. If you see down, colleges are given, then UG course and eligibility is also given. So you can check all those things whether you are eligible or not. At least 55% and above you need. See, I have clicked on UG courses and eligibility. You can check whether you are eligible or not. For all courses it is given. So students, without candidate pre-registration, you cannot fill your application form. So those registration you can expect by tomorrow. Like, share and subscribe for more updates on those degree online services Telangana.